Hi guys, it's Enny, aka the Noctrader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. And today is Monday the 10th of June 2019. I want to give you a technical analysis breakdown of some UK and US stocks. Let's get straight to the video. You know what I'm going to ask you to do next. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button to get alerts on all my latest videos. I've got Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at the Noctrader on all social media platforms. And if you check the description section below, you'll see a link to my mailing list. If you join my mailing list, you get priority access to my free training course that I'm creating for new traders, and also you'll get emails every week on my latest videos and my entries, exits, stop losses, and reasons behind some of the swing trades I make. So I've got 4 stocks that I'm covering today. Gonna make it a quick one today. 2 UK and 2 US. The 2 UK ones are just a recap one, to be honest. This one's just a recap on AAL. I covered it in my last video yesterday. If you want to check that one out, I'll go into more detail. But in this one, really, it's just a recap, doing exactly what I expected it to do. There's a ascending channel pattern. It double bottomed at previous resistance, and now it's making high highs. I expect it to climb all the way to the previous high at least, or all the way to the previous resistance line. So I could expect it to carry on going up. 188 simple moving average is underneath the price and it's climbing up, which is all telling me that price is going up. So next one, I'm speeding through these today, is Boots. Boots I didn't cover yesterday, but I'll cover it today because it's got a lot of promise. Boots on the daily chart, you can see it's double bottomed on the 188 simple moving average, treating that as a support. On the 4-hour chart, sorry, this is the wrong Boots. Sorry, I meant to say Boohoo. Boohoo, the UK online retailer for clothes. Boohoo, as you can see here, let me go into the daily chart. On the daily chart, I set an alert at 218 because I thought that if it broke out there, then it would be a great short. It hasn't broken out of there, and it seems to have flatlined here and made a bed at about 221, and looks like it's going to start making high highs. I wouldn't be surprised if it broke out of this resistance and start climbing. So I think Boot is long right now. This is a great position to take a long position on Boots. The MACD and RSI are all telling us the same thing, and if you take a long position on Boots now, this will be a great position because the risk to reward would be great. You'd be risking about 10 pips to make potentially 17, but I wouldn't set a stop loss here. I'd expect it to break out and carry on going even further. So it's kind of sky's the limit as to how much money you can make, because you don't know where the exit point would be. But only risking 10 pips is not that bad, because once you get past this resistance line, you're in clear sailing, and that's about 2-to-1 ratio just here, let alone climbing further. So I would say long position in Boohoo and set the stop loss just below 220. Off to my US stocks. My US stock, first one is AMD, Advanced Micro Device. Covered this in my video last night and even last week. All last week I was saying that because of the expanding wedge pattern that was created here, and because of the expanding wedge pattern that was created here, it was just going to carry on climbing, and that's exactly what it did. This red line is the all-time high. So lo and behold, in the matter of a couple of days, in a matter of 3-4 days, AMD has broken its all-time high and made a new all-time high at $343 US dollars, and that's great. So no, it's actually, sorry, not 340, 34 US dollars. So it's made its all-time high, and that's exactly what I expected, just based off of this expanding wedge pattern that I saw on the 2-hour chart. So that's great. And last but not least, ADNT, Adient. This is one I'm taking a long position in right now. I covered this yesterday once again in my last video, and it's pretty simple, pretty basic what's going on here. If you go to the weekly chart, you can see that, once again, you can see that price has been selling off from October 2017 up until March 2019. That's almost a year and a half. Price has been selling off. Finally found a base, and now it's starting to make high highs. Here wouldn't have been the place I would have bought. It climbed for 3-4 weeks, and then it sold off for 3-4 weeks, and now it's 2 weeks into another climb. I believe that another 2-3 weeks it will be higher than where it was at its previous peak. and you can see that here on the daily chart that it's making an ascending channel pattern. What I need for now is price to climb above the 180-day simple moving average on the daily chart, and then I'll know it's going to carry on pushing up. I expect this to get to at least the resistance line within next maybe 18 days. So I'm thinking maybe 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I'd say by about end of June, I want to see price go all the way up to the resistance line. I've taken a long position in here. So, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've posted about my long position, and I'm going to keep you updated on each how much I'm making on this trade. But yeah, I'm quite bullish on this. And yeah, that's it. Short, sweet one today. Sweet one. It's Any, aka the Noctrader, signing out.